BX cable, also known as armored cable, is a type of electrical cable that features a flexible metal sheath, providing protection for the insulated conductors contained within. Generally, BX cable is considered a safe and reliable wiring method. However, it can degrade over time, particularly when subjected to moisture or harsh environmental conditions. If the existing BX cable appears to be in good condition, replacement is usually unnecessary. There are instances, however, where a replacement becomes advisable or even essential. Firstly, if the BX cable shows signs of damage, such as cuts, kinks, or corrosion, it should be replaced immediately. Compromised insulation or physical damage can create electrical hazards. Secondly, if the BX cable has been exposed to water or excessive moisture, its insulation may be compromised, leading to potential short circuits or ground faults. In such cases, replacement is crucial for safety. Thirdly, if the existing BX cable is too short to reach the intended connection point or does not meet current electrical code requirements, it will need to be replaced with a longer or code-compliant alternative. Fourthly, if the existing BX cable is undersized for the intended electrical load, it must be replaced with a cable of the correct gauge to prevent overheating and potential fire hazards. Fifthly, if the existing BX cable is of an outdated type that no longer meets current safety standards, it is recommended to replace it with a modern, code-compliant cable. When undertaking BX cable replacement, several key considerations should be observed. Firstly, always use a replacement cable that is of the same size and type as the original. Using the wrong size or type of cable can lead to electrical problems and safety hazards. Secondly, ensure that the new BX cable is properly installed and securely fastened in place. Loose or poorly supported cables can be damaged or create safety risks. Thirdly, use appropriate connectors and fittings that are specifically designed for use with BX cable. Improper connections can result in loose wires, overheating, and potential electrical fires. Fourthly, when working with electrical wiring, always turn off the power at the circuit breaker or fuse box before beginning any work. This will help to prevent electric shock and ensure your safety. Fifthly, if you are not comfortable working with electrical wiring, it is best to consult with a qualified electrician. Electrical work can be dangerous, and it is important to ensure that it is done correctly and safely. As a general guideline, most electricians refrain from replacing BX cable unless it is deemed necessary based on the aforementioned conditions. However, it is always prudent to consult with a qualified electrician to assess the specific situation and determine the most appropriate course of action. An electrician can evaluate the condition of the existing BX cable, identify any potential hazards, and recommend the best solution for ensuring electrical safety and code compliance. Remember that electrical work can be dangerous, and it is always best to err on the side of caution. If you are unsure about any aspect of electrical wiring, consult with a qualified electrician for assistance. They have the knowledge, skills, and experience to handle electrical work safely and effectively.